Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you a nutritious recipe, Sesame Chikki. Look at how crunchy and crispy it is. It tastes just like the store-bought ones and it's super easy to make. In fact, it only takes 3 ingredients and 15 minutes to make this. The combination of jaggery and sesame seeds are super healthy for everyone, especially women. Now let's get to the recipe. So these are the ingredients for this recipe. We have 1 cup of sesame seeds, 3/4 cup of jaggery, and 2 spoons of ghee. To make this chikki, I'm going to fry the sesame seeds first. In a pan on low flame, add the 1 cup of sesame seeds and keep mixing it until it changes its color slightly and transfer it onto a plate. Make sure to keep it on low flame and mix it continuously to ensure not to burn it. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add the 3/4 cup jaggery along with the 1 tablespoon water. Keep stirring on medium flame till the jaggery melts completely. Alternatively, use sugar if you do not prefer jaggery, but jaggery is just the healthier option. Add 2 spoons of ghee. While the jaggery syrup is boiling, spread some ghee onto a baking paper and set it aside for later. Boil the jaggery syrup on low flame till the syrup turns glossy and thickens. Check the consistency by dropping syrup into a bowl of water. If it's like this, gooey and slimy, then boil for another minute and check. It should form hard ball and cut with a snap sound, just like I'm showing you here. Once it's ready, as you can see, the color also changes to a slightly brown color, and now you can simmer the flame and add the roasted sesame seeds. Stir well, making sure that the jaggery syrup coats well, and immediately pour the mixture over the butter paper or onto a steel plate greased with ghee. Be quick or else the mixture turns hard and it will be difficult to set. Now get together forming a block. Be careful as the mixture will be very hot, and that's why I'm using a spatula. Now using a rolling pin, roll it so it's slightly a thick block. Allow it to cool for a minute, and when it's still warm, cut into pieces. You can also add finely chopped dry fruits to make it more nutritious, or nuts. And the sesame chikki texture is completely depending on the jaggery syrup consistency and color. Also, if you want a darker and a brown chikki, use dark colored jaggery. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel with the notifications turned on to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And if you come this far, make sure to like this video and also comment down below if you're gonna try it out and how it turns out if you already tried it out. And make sure to share it with your friends and family. In addition, I would like to add some recommendations. So I have used white sesame seeds for this recipe, but it can be prepared by mixing both white and black sesame seeds. Secondly, the other variation you can introduce to these chikkis is by mixing it with other nuts and seeds powder. I personally like the combination of peanut or badam. Lastly, the chikkis are typically served during winter as it provides warmth to the body. Hence, it can be stored for months in an airtight container. Thank you for watching. Bye!